You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer. Yo! You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Move! Today, guys, today we are with engee dadon. Yeah, man. engee dadon with Depopulation. I've been also the G Dep and a fucking roll from there with them song, brother. May I tell you, like, yeah. I could jump in the one and so I go. Before we do that, engee, start title the song them better, bro. Please. Start put title on the song them better. Put your name, then the title, bro. You see me? Yes. engee dadon Depopulation. See put it, bro. engee dadon Depopulation. Yes. Put it like you normally do, man. But anyway, I'm gonna jump in the one so I go. Let's go. Sugar, flour, rice.
Rasta, no forward, no. Why you no forward? We need no. Where are you? No? Salome did ask for John the Baptist said, crucifixion bring resurrection life over there. To the four corners of the earth, the gospel must spread. Man shall not live by bread, but every word that the Most High said. In this time of trial and tribulation, where are the Rasta leaders for the nation? Spiritual warfare, God and Satan. Where are the...
Yo! We know how engee I find so much topic, but may I tell you, yes, when I come on to relevancy of what's happening, social commentary, I'm going to sing about it. The man I say, yo, where the rest of them there? All the rest of them don't run out. That's why the G I said, not me, nobody say me. I said, I must say, listen.
Rasta, no forward, no. Why you no forward? We need no.
Rasta!
Where are you?
Natty Congo!
Where are you?
What are they?
Salome did ask for John the Baptist said, crucifixion bring resurrection life over there. To the four corners of the earth, the gospel must spread. Man shall not live by bread, but every word that the Most High said. In this time of trial and tribulation, where are the Rasta leaders for the nation? Spiritual warfare, God and Satan. Where are the Rastas for help us stand? The kings of the earth join with Babylon. In Sodom and Gomorrah, righteous man not one. Like when God attacked to Abraham, everybody run gone with the millions. We don't have nothing. Father God, you see we hands. The darkest days, they happen for we land. With 4 container poison for we now. Only God can save we. Save we. In these times of darkness, God save we. A revelation.
Yo! Them vocal, brother, me I tell you, there's a normal dog. Yo, every song with the G sing from me, yo, me feel every word of the man I say, bro. I swear. Me feel every word, bro. And that's why the song them so catchy, Yeah. Because me say listen to people's choice.
Crucifixion bring resurrection life over there. To the four corners of the earth, the gospel must spread. Man shall not live by bread, but every word that the Most High said. In this time of trial and tribulation, where are the Rasta leaders for the nation? Spiritual warfare, God and Satan. Where are the Rastas for help us stand? The kings of the earth join with Babylon.
Yeah.
In Sodom and Gomorrah, righteous man not one. Like when God attacked to Abraham, everybody run gone with the millions. We don't have nothing. Father God, you see we hands.
Yeah.
The darkest days, they happen for we land. With 4 container poison for we now. Only God can save we. Save we. In these times of darkness, God save we. A revelation day and now. A digital slavery.
Save we.
Oh God save we.
The man I call upon God for save we, because we need it right now. Alright.
Save we, oh God. Save we in these times of darkness. God, save we. From depopulation.
Save we.
Digital slavery.
Save we. Oh, Buckland.
Them spend 20 hours investigate Buju. Draft up the video, cut it up like Pudu. When contaminated, content and neglected, just to be petty. People who no get it.
Yo, 20 hours on a tech. On spend 20 hours to investigate Buju. The man I say, yo, basically, other people out the one the bomber cartel, but I spend 20 hours to investigate and I still come up with fuckery because I don't cut up the video. When I cut up the video, that's what the G say.
20 hours investigate Buju. Draft up the video, cut it up like voodoo. When contaminated, content and neglected, just to be petty. People who no get it. 20 hours could have bring water and food.
See it?
Cut up trees, clear roads so vehicle can move.
You see it? Yeah, the man I say you the 20 hours on the waist and still go fabricate the bomber evidence. On still go make up on your own video and cut it up like pudding. And still come 20 hours after. Why you never just use that 20 hours and do something constructive? Do something constructive for the people who need it, bro.
When 20 hours investigate Buju. Draft up the video, cut it up like pudding. When contaminated, content and neglected, just to be petty. People who no get it. 20 hours could have bring water and food.
True.
Cut up trees, clear roads so vehicle can move.
Yeah.
20 hours could have used to show us proof. About the 1.4 billion where you use. Left
20 hours could have show us proof, but the 1.4 billion where you use. Enough money not getting that's what the G say now. Enough money not getting a way to go.
Hour could have used to show us proof. About the 1.4 billion where you use. Left Buju make him cuss and show us the invoice for the yellow bus. Tell us why they
Hi! Hi! Wanna spend 1.4 billion on the yellow bus them, right? Alright. Left Buju make him cuss cause on so quick for show we the manifest for Buju shipping. Alright. Left Buju make him cuss. If you know want to show the paperwork and the manifest and the receipt, show you for the paper for the yellow bus them. How we not sit on for the yellow bus? How we not sit on for the yellow bus them?
20 hours could have used to show us proof. About the 1.4 billion
what you use.
Left Buju make him cuss and show us the invoice for the yellow bus. Tell us why there is containers with contaminated food that people can't consume. Only God.
Why there's container with contaminated food that people can't consume? Why is there that? What is going on?
Only God can save we.
Save
These times of darkness, Lord save we. A revelation they are known. And the teacher will save we. Oh God, save we. In these times of darkness, Lord save we. Prime Minister feel we, Pastor feel we, Rasta feel we.
As a Prime Minister fail we, Pastor fail we, Rasta fail we.
Minister feel we, Pastor feel we, Rasta feel we. Mankind feel we. In this time of trial and tribulation, where are the Rasta leaders for the nation?
Oh, not there.
Spiritual warfare, there is the Satan. We're a farming land for feed the nation. Everybody run gone with the millions. Father God, you see we hands. The darkest days they upon fi we land. Let's turn to God, cause we no see no one. Save we. In these times of darkness, Lord, save we.
Oh.
Lord have mercy.
Save we.
We got a lot of rain and still thirsty.
That's a lot of rain and still thirsty. Facts.
Prime Minister feel we, Pastor
Fail we, Rasta fail we.
yeah. Mankind feel we.
Tumba. Powerful. Pack up like the ark with no
Only
full.
God, only God can save we.
Yo, big up engee the Dan, bro. Big up engee the Dan, bro. Big up the G dog. Yo, me don't know what am I gonna do with him in a dog. Me don't know what am I gonna do with him in a bro. Me know. Yo. Yo. From where there, I be a bomb the man a drop, bro. I be a bomb the man a drop, bro. The rest of them, engee say which part in the day cause him nasty, we not run out. We nasty, which part not run out. Him nasty cause the man says a spiritual warfare, so which part in the day. You see me? Yo, bro, me I tell you, engee, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, my fam. And big up management same way. Yo! Them feel with it too, man. Them feel with. The time where Darrell Vaz Tech and a show with Bojo Manifest, show the 1.4 billion for the yellow bus them. For them ugly bus, they look like a hog. Show with them there. Where them there? 20 hours on the tech. That 20 hours they could have do a lot. Cut up tree with Black Road. Help fix back some place. You're not showing none of them something there. But you know, run, gonna walk, gonna dig up manifest. Man said, Lord Bojo make him cuss and go do some proper work. And stop arm toner. Yo, you know what I think about the one in the comment section now, man. Yeah. I'll be down there waiting, alright? Peace.
A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica verse game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. I know what that. About do Mr. Capalat, you know.